As we celebrate our women, this year's theme is about embracing equity. And we embrace equity as a step to equality. There's always a fallacy that men and women are equal. The reality is that you cannot achieve equality without equity. What do I mean by equity? By equity, I mean you need to put in the building blocks that will ensure ultimately that men and women are equal at the end of the day. As Vodacom Lesotho, through our foundation, we have a number of initiatives that we have put in place to ensure that we drive towards the equity that will ensure equality at the end of the day. Some of those programs include the scholarship or the bursary fund that we have established, which is intended to ensure that the girl child specifically and people living with disabilities have that one shot at ensuring that they also get access to the opportunities that otherwise men would be the ones that are getting. Secondly, some of the initiatives that we have put in place are initiatives that ensure that women are also protected. We know that we are suffering from a scourge of violence against women. And in that context, we have partnered with some of our partners to ensure that there are avenues through which abused women can be able to cry out for help and get the assistance that they need. Furthermore, even in the health space, we have put in place programs that ensure that right from birth, a child is protected as well as the mother is protected. We have a serious challenge when it comes to emergency transport services, and as a result, a mama was born to ensure that pre and postnatal, an expectant mother can be able to access transport that will be able to take them to the nearest health facility until the baby is actually born safely. We have a partnership with UNICEF that ensures that Coding for Girls program is run. We have partnerships that we have taken with World Vision that ensure that the girl child does not miss a day of school due to the normal menstrual cycles that they go through. There are children that cannot afford to buy sanitary towels. These are but a few examples of things that Vodacom Lesotho, through its foundation, is intentionally and deliberately putting in place to make sure that we level the playing field. There is no way that we are going to have equality without ensuring that there is equity.